Hey, what's up, everybody? So, something pretty exciting happened yesterday. So I've had a Bluetooth scanner for my phone for years, and it's never really cooperated. I've spent hours. Every time it resets or dies, I have to spend a few hours trying to get it connected to my phone again, and I just kind of got tired of it. So I bought a new one, and it actually came in yesterday. It's right here. It's an Opticon 2006. My other one was actually a 2002, and I'll probably try to sell that one. So it was probably another $50 or so to buy the 2006 one. But this one connected right away. It took 5 minutes to get it connected and get it set up with my phone. I already got some Velcro put on it, and then some really nice Velcro that I bought. I'm just pretty excited about it. So I think today I might go to library that has a sale going on constantly and kind of see how it works in the wild and if I can find anything. I really wish I was ungated in CDs right now, because this library I found some pretty good CDs there in the past, before they started gating everybody on CDs. But we'll see what we can find. I'm sure I'll find a couple books, and then probably some DVDs that I can sell. So that's about it. Actually, if there's a few Bluetooth scanners. If you don't know this, these will connect via Bluetooth, so you don't need to have a cord or anything like that connected to your phone. And what happens is it'll just scan. If I can find it again. It'll just scan something, if you can see that. But it'll just scan the barcode, and it'll transmit the numbers straight to your phone pretty much instantly. So you can look up pretty much anything instantly, especially if you have a phone app that has a database on it. And that's really mandatory. If you have a Bluetooth scanner, you really need an app with a database on it, because that's going to make it so much faster. You won't have to wait on Wi-Fi or 4G to try to find a signal and then try to find the product on Amazon. With the database, you'll have pretty much Amazon's whole catalog downloaded to your phone. So if you scan a barcode, it's going to bring up less information about the product, but it's still going to say probably the top 10 or 15, or the bottom 10 or 15 sellers on that product and what their price is going to be. And then it's going to give you the rank in that it's going to give you the rank at the time that you downloaded the database. So I downloaded mine yesterday, and I think it's always good to download it a couple days before you go somewhere sourcing, because if you're undecided on an item, you can always always do a live search on it, and you can see how the rank changed from 2 days ago to the day when you're thinking about purchasing it. So that's really how I like to do it. But other people have other preferences, so that's really going to be it for right now. Let me know what app you guys prefer when sourcing, and what kind of scanner you guys have. So I'll see everybody next time.